This time we will create a new project using a console application and name it Event Listener Console. Now, we don't have any references to the MIP SDK, so we start by adding those. The Video OS assemblies are found in the MIP SDK directory in C/program files/milestone/MIP SDK/bin. In this case, we need videoos.platform and videoos.platform.stk. The first thing we need to do is to log in. In this application, we will use command line arguments to supply the credentials and the URI. We will insert the command line arguments in the debug section of the project properties. This will facilitate testing during development. Back in program.cs, we will continue with the login process. We use the same workflow as in the programmatic login application, using the try-catch block. Let's put in a read key method in the end to stop the application when we press a key. We'll run the application to verify that we can log in. First, let's insert the code to start the message communication and subscribe to the desired message. In this case, we are interested in the New Event Indication message, which means any event. When we receive that message, we want to send it to the New Event Message Handler Event Listener, which we haven't added yet. When closing the application, we want to gracefully unregister the message subscription, so we will do that after the read key method. Then we will insert the Event Handler code, which will output the event data to the console. To test the application, we'll trigger an event, in this case, test event, which is a user-defined event in the management client. Let's start the console application in Visual Studio, moving it so we can see both windows. When we trigger the event in the management client, we can see that the console application reacts to it and shows the message information as expected.